Hi everyone, in this problem we're told that the hyperbolic cosecant of u is equal to 5 over 12, and we have to find the other five hyperbolic functions. Let's go ahead and work through it. So we'll start by finding the reciprocal of this. So um, a hyperbolic sine of u is just the reciprocal of a hyperbolic cosecant. So you just flip it. So you get 12 over 5. That's an easy one to start with. This is just because they're reciprocals, right? Again, hyperbolic cosecant of u is equal to 1 over hyperbolic sine. Likewise, hyperbolic sine of u is equal to 1 over hyperbolic cosecant. So you just flip it to find the other one. Now that we have this, we can use a very popular identity to find the hyperbolic cosine. So the hyperbolic cosine squared of u minus the hyperbolic sine squared of u is equal to 1. So now we can take this and plug it in here and solve for the hyperbolic cosine. So we have hyperbolic cosine squared of u minus 12 over 5 squared is equal to 1. So we have the hyperbolic cosine squared of u minus, so now we can square the 12 and square the 5, so that's 144 over 25, and that's equal to 1. To solve for this, we have to add this to both sides, so plus 144 over 25, plus, that's a 4, it's an ugly 4, so 144 over 25. That keeps looking like a 9, it's not. You want to think of this as 25 over 25 so that you can add these, okay? So 25 plus 144 is 169. So the hyperbolic cosine squared of u is equal to 169 over 25. Okay, so now we need to get rid of the square root. So we can just take the square root of both sides. And whenever you take the square root and you have like a variable squared like this, you do get a plus or minus. So the hyperbolic cosine of u is equal to plus or minus, and then you take the square root of 169, so that's going to be 13, and here you take the square root of 25, which is 5. So this is positive. You'd say, well, why? It's because hyperbolic cosine can only be positive. Recall the hyperbolic cosine of u is equal to the average of e to the u and e to the negative u. So you add them up and divide by 2. These are both positive, so positive plus positive is positive divided by positive. It's all positive, so it's positive. So it's not negative. So now that we have these, we can pretty much do anything. Let's do the hyperbolic secant of u, since that's the reciprocal of this answer. So you just flip it, and that will be 5 over 13. And what else? So we've got hyperbolic sine and its reciprocal. We've got hyperbolic cosine and its reciprocal. We just need hyperbolic tangent and its reciprocal. So let's go ahead and find the hyperbolic tangent. So the hyperbolic tangent of u is equal to the hyperbolic sine of u divided by the hyperbolic cosine of u. So this is equal to, I'll write it again here, hyperbolic tangent. So the hyperbolic sine is 12 over 5. So this is 12 over 5, just like that. And then the hyperbolic cosine is 13 over 5. So 13 over 5, just like that. So the hyperbolic tangent of u. So you take 12 over 5 and you divide it by 13 over 5. Well, when you do that, you really multiply by the reciprocal, right? So this is really 5 over 13. These 5's cancel and you just get 12 over 13. I'll write it again here for completeness. The hyperbolic tangent of u is equal to 12 over 13. That would be tanh of u. And then what's left is the reciprocal of the hyperbolic tangent, which is the hyperbolic cotangent of u. So you just flip this one, so you just get 13 over 12. And that would be the last one. We have the other 5 hyperbolic functions. Kind of a fun problem. This one wasn't too bad. I mean, I think this is a really intuitive first step. And then just using this is really the key. Once you have sinh or cosinh, you can use this. And once you have like cosinh and sinh, game over, or game on rather. You could find the rest of them pretty easily. I hope this video has been helpful to someone out there in the world. Good luck.